Hello world, this is your math tutor Anju, and in this video we will be tackling the first law of exponents. Let's do a quick recap of exponents. The product of a number multiplied repeatedly is called a power or exponential of the number. For instance, a to the power of m is a multiplied repeatedly m times. Here a is called the base and m is called the exponent, power or index. Let's jump right into the laws of exponents. The first law deals with multiplying powers with the same base. So, what are powers having the same base? 7 cube and 7 square are powers having the same base 7. Similarly, b cube, b square and b to the power of 5 are all powers having the same base b. We know that 7 cube is 7 times 7 times 7 and 7 square is 7 times 7. So 7 cube times 7 square would be 7 multiplied repeatedly 5 times, which is equal to 7 to the power of 5. In fact, we could have got this result by simply adding the powers 3 and 2. That is 7 cube times 7 square is 7 to the power of 3 plus 2, which is equal to 7 to the power of 5. Let's cross-verify if this is true with another set of powers having the same base. B to the power of 1 times b to the power of 3 times b square would be equal to b multiplied repeatedly 6 times, which is equal to b to the power of 6. Once again, we see that b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 3 times b to the power of 2 is b to the power of 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to b to the power of 6. So, our law of exponents gives us a simpler way to multiply powers having the same base, and it is written in general as m to the power of a times m to the power of b is equal to m to the power of a plus b. Let's try solving problems applying this law. 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 7 is 5 to the power of 4 plus 7, which is equal to 5 to the power of 11. Y to the power of 5 times y square times y cube equals y to the power of 5 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to y to the power of 10. One last example with a negative base. Negative 3 the whole power 6 times negative 3 the whole square is equal to negative 3 the whole power 6 plus 2, which is equal to negative 3 the whole power 8. Let me re-emphasize the operations once again. We are talking about multiplication of the powers and we get the result by adding the exponents together. Also, please note that this law cannot be applied for adding powers having the same base. That is, we would not solve 5 to the power of 4 plus 5 to the power of 7 as 5 to the power of 4 plus 7.